Imagine this, you walk into a store, you are clearly looking for something, but no one greets you. No hello, no offer to help, nothing. So, what do? You leave. Not because you don't want to buy, but because no one bothered to talk to you. Now, think about your website. People are visiting, asking questions, and even ready to buy. But if no one's there to respond, especially while you are asleep, you are silently losing leads. That's where a simple chatbot steps in and it can make a massive difference. Hey, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, founder and CEO of Matrixflix. I have spent years helping businesses like yours turn website visitors and ad clicks into actual paying customers with smart, scalable solutions. Over the years, I have seen so many businesses pour money into lead generation, only to watch those leads vanish because no one followed up fast enough. That's exactly where chatbots shine. Let's talk about how simple chatbot, nothing crazy or overcomplicated, can help you close more leads, stay organized, and save you hours of manual work every week. And no, it doesn't need to sound robotic or pushy. In fact, the best ones feel helpful, like a friendly digital assistant who knows exactly what your customers need. Chatbots give instant replies and that build trust. Think about how you behave when you are online looking for a product or a service. If you have a question and there is no immediate answer, how long do you really wait? 10 seconds? Maybe 20 before bouncing to another website. Now flip that around. If a visitor lands on your site and gets greeted instantly, hey, need a help picking the right plan? That's not just good UX, that's trust building from the first click. Most people don't want to talk to a sales rep right away, but they are happy to ask a chatbot something low stakes. It's casual, pressure free, and super efficient. Chatbots qualify leads without you lifting a finger. One of the biggest mistakes businesses make is treating all leads the same. But not every person who fills out your contact form is ready to buy. Some are just browsing, others are serious, and few aren't your ideal customer at all. A chatbot can gently ask qualifying questions like, what are you looking for today? What are your timeline? What kind of budget are you working with? And based on that, it can tag, sort, and even route that lead to the right place. No more digging through a messy inbox trying to figure out who's hot and who's not. It's like having a virtual assistant doing the sorting for you 24/7. Nurture leads with zero pressure. Here is the thing, most leads don't convert on the first visit, but that doesn't mean they are lost forever. Chatbots can help you keep those conversations alive by sharing useful resources, sending a discount code, offering a help with comparisons, or simply asking, want me to follow up in a few days? This kind of a light touch engagement keeps your brand top of mind without annoying the customers. It's about creating a smooth, natural flow, not a sales pitch disguised as a conversation. Work seamlessly with the tools you already use. A lot of people think adding a chatbot means a big overhaul. It doesn't. Most modern bots integrate easily with your website, your CRM, your social channels, and even your ad campaigns. So, if someone clicks a Facebook ad, lands on your page, and asks a question, that chatbot takes over. It captures the info, sends it to your CRM, and maybe even drops a reminder on your calendar. And it's doing all that while you are focusing on running your business. You learn a lot from the conversations. This one's underrated. Every chat is learning opportunity. You get to see the exact words your customer use when they talk about their needs, their problems, and their objections. That's gold. You will find patterns like which products get asked about most, where people seem confused, what concerns they have before buying. That's insight you can use to tweak your sales page, improve your website, and even fine tune your ads. And you didn't have to guess or run surveys, it's all right there in the chat history. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you already using a chatbot in your business? Or maybe you are still not sure how to start. Drop your question or hesitation in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who's tired of chasing a cold leads. I'll see you in the next one.